Imagine this. You're standing next to someone. Maybe at work, maybe at the bus stop, maybe waiting for your coffee at a cafe. And that person next to you smiles. They want to talk, and so do you. But then something happens. Your mind goes blank. You know some English words, they're in there somewhere, but they won't come out. The moment passes, the person looks away, and you're left there standing in silence, thinking, why can't I just say something? If that has ever happened to you, this video is for you. My name is Henry. Welcome to Simple Spoken, the place where we learn English slowly, clearly, and without stress. And today, I am going to give you something that changed everything for hundreds of our listeners. 5 small talk phrases. That's it, just 5. But these 5 phrases, they will open every conversation with anyone, anywhere, anytime. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will feel ready. Stay with me, because phrase number 3 is the one almost no English teacher ever talks about, and it is the most powerful one. First, I want to ask you something honest. When you try to speak English with a native speaker, what happens inside your body? Does your heart beat a little faster? Does your mind say, wait, what's the right word? What if I make a mistake? What if they don't understand me? You know what? That is completely normal. I talk to thousands of English learners every week, and do you know what the #1 problem is? It is not grammar. It is not vocabulary. The #1 problem is this: they don't know how to start. Starting a conversation is the hardest part. Once you start, usually it flows. It gets easier. But that first moment, that first sentence, that is where most people freeze. And the reason is simple. Nobody taught them what to say first. Your English classes taught you grammar rules, verb tenses, passive voice, articles. But nobody sat down with you and said, hey, when you meet someone new, here are the exact words you say. Well, that is exactly what we are doing today. So grab something to drink, get comfortable, and let's fix this together. Okay, phrase number 1. This is the phrase you use when you want to start a conversation with someone you don't know well. Are you ready? How's your day going? Say it with me, slowly. How's your day going? Again, how's your day going? Beautiful. Now, why is this phrase so powerful? Because it is open. It invites the other person to talk. It is not too formal, not too casual. It is just friendly. And every native speaker uses it every single day. Now, let me show you how it sounds in a real conversation. Imagine you're at work. You walk into the kitchen. A colleague is making coffee. You say, hey, how's your day going? They say, pretty good, thanks. Busy, but good. You? And then you say, same here. So much to do today. That's it. That's a real conversation. And it started with just 4 words. How's your day going? Now, I want to teach you 2 more ways to say the same thing, because variety keeps conversations natural. Option 2 is, how are you doing? Option 3 is, how are things? All 3 mean the same thing. All 3 are friendly. All 3 work. Practice moment. I want you to say all 3 right now, out loud. Ready? How's your day going? How are you doing? How are things? Perfect. You just learned your first phrase. And here's a little secret. Native speakers say these so automatically, They don't even think about it. Soon, you won't either. Phrase number 2. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Henry, is this about the weather? Yes, and before you say everyone knows this one, let me tell you something. Most learners know the weather topic exists, but they don't know how to use it correctly. There is a big difference. Here is phrase number 2. Can you believe this weather? Say it with me. Can you believe this weather? Again, can you believe this weather? Now, why does this phrase work so well? 2 reasons. First, it is a question, and questions invite people to respond. That's the whole point of small talk. You want the other person to talk back. Second, the phrase, "Can you believe?" shows mild shock or surprise, and that creates connection. You and the other person are reacting to something together. Let me show you this in a real moment. You're at the bus stop. It started raining suddenly. The person next to you has an umbrella. You say, "Can you believe this weather? It was sunny an hour ago." They laugh. They say, "I know, I almost left my umbrella at home." Now you are talking. You can also use this structure with other words. Can you believe how busy it is today? Can you believe how cold it got? Can you believe how fast the weekend went? It is a beautiful, flexible phrase. Learn the structure, and you can use it in many situations. Okay, 2 phrases down, 3 to go. And phrase number 3, the one I told you about at the beginning? We are almost there. Okay, phrase number 3. I told you at the beginning that this is the phrase most English teachers never teach, and I meant it. This phrase does something magical. It doesn't just start a conversation. It makes the other person feel seen, feel valued, feel like they matter. And when someone feels that way, they love talking to you. Are you ready? Here it is. I love your something. Or, that's a really adjective thing. Let me explain with examples. You see someone at a party. They have a nice bag. You say, "I love your bag. Where did you get it?" You meet someone at work. They just gave a presentation. You say, "That was a really great presentation. How long did it take you to prepare?" Do you see what's happening? First, you give a genuine compliment. Second, you ask a follow-up question. That combination, it is the most powerful 2-step in all of small talk, because the compliment makes them feel good, and the question gives them something to talk about. The conversation practically runs itself after that. Now, a very important note. The compliment must be genuine. People can feel when it is not real. So only compliment things you actually notice and appreciate. Maybe it's their idea, their smile, their work, their style. Whatever it is, if you mean it, say it. I want to give you some starter phrases for this. I really like how you. That is such a good idea. You have a great. I noticed you. Practice this one out loud for me now. Think of someone in your life, a colleague, a classmate, someone at a shop. What is one thing you could genuinely compliment? Say the sentence right now. I love your, or that was really, how did you say it? If yes, you are already better at small talk than you were 5 minutes ago. Okay, pause for a second. We have done 3 phrases together. You have learned how to start a conversation, how to use weather to connect with strangers, and how to make someone feel so good that they want to keep talking to you. But here's the thing. Small talk doesn't just need a good start. It needs to keep going. Because the most uncomfortable moment in conversation It's not the beginning, it's the silence in the middle. That moment when no one knows what to say next, and both people start looking at their phones. Sound familiar? The next two phrases, they are your escape from that moment. Let's keep going. Phrase number 4 is what I call the keep going phrase. This phrase saves you when the conversation starts to slow down. When there is a pause and you don't know what to say next, this phrase rescues you. Here it is. Oh, interesting. So what do you think about, or simply, really, tell me more. Say that with me. Really, tell me more. Again, really, tell me more. Now, why does this work so beautifully? Because people love to talk about themselves. This is a truth about all humans, not just English speakers. When you say, tell me more, you are giving them a gift. You are saying, I am interested in you. I want to hear more. Please continue. In most people, they are happy to continue. Let me show you this in action. You are talking to a colleague. They say, yeah, I just got back from a trip. The average response, oh, nice. And then silence. The simple spoken response, really, tell me more. Where did you go? Now they're talking about their trip. The conversation flows. More examples of tell me more phrases. Oh, wow. And then what happened? That's interesting. How did you feel about that? Really? I didn't know that. What made you decide to do it? Notice something about all of these? They all end with a question. This is the golden rule of small talk. Always end your sentence with a question. When you ask a question, the conversation never dies. Practice this. After everything you say in English today, add a question. Try it now with me. Say, that sounds amazing. What was your favorite part? Beautiful. And now, phrase number 5. This one is different from the others. This is not about starting a conversation. It is not about keeping one going. This phrase is about ending a conversation in a way that makes the other person think, what a lovely person. Because here is something most people don't realize. People don't always remember exactly what you said, but they almost always remember how you made them feel. And a warm, genuine goodbye leaves the best feeling of all. Here is phrase number 5. It was really nice talking with you. Let's do this again sometime. Say it with me. It was really nice talking with you. Let's do this again sometime. One more time. Together. It was really nice talking with you. Let's do this again sometime. Now, you can also say shorter versions. Really enjoyed this conversation. So good catching up with you. I hope we talk again soon. You've made my day. Thank you. All of these do the same thing. They close the conversation with warmth. They tell the other person, this conversation mattered to me. And that is what people remember about you. Not your accent, not your grammar, how you made them feel. Before I give you your practice, I want to share something with you. A student of Simple Spoken, let's call her Maria, she wrote to us 3 months ago. She said, Henry, I have been learning English for 4 years, but I still cannot talk to people. I am too scared. I stay quiet. I feel invisible. Does that sound familiar? 3 weeks later, after practicing these exact phrases, she wrote again. She said, Henry, I talked to my neighbor today for the first time. She was wonderful. We talked for 20 minutes. I cried after because I was so happy. 20 minutes. From 0 to 20 minutes in 3 weeks. Because of 5 phrases. You are Maria, and Maria is you. The English is already inside you. It just needs a door. These 5 phrases, they are the door. And here is your bonus tip. The one thing that multiplies everything I taught you today. Smile when you speak. Not a fake smile, a real one. Because when you smile, your voice changes. It becomes warmer, more open, and people respond to warmth more than perfect grammar. Every single time. So speak, smile, and don't fear the silence. The silence just means they are listening. Okay, let's bring everything together. Your 5 small talk phrases. Say them with me one last time. Ready? Phrase 1. How's your day going? Phrase 2. Can you believe this weather? Phrase 3. I love your... How did you? Phrase 4. Really? Tell me more. Phrase 5. It was really nice talking with you. Excellent. You have them. Those phrases are yours now. Here is your homework, and I am serious about this one. Today or tomorrow, I want you to use at least one of these phrases. One phrase, one real person, one real conversation. It doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be long. Just start. And now, I want to hear from you. Down in the comments, tell me, which phrase are you going to try first? Is it phrase 1? Phrase 3? The secret one? Write it below, right now, even just one word. Because when you write it, you commit to it. And when you commit, you do it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube to share this lesson with more learners just like you. And if you are not subscribed yet, hit that button, because every week on Simple Spoken, we practice together, slowly, clearly, and without stress. You are not alone in this journey. I am right here with every lesson. Until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, and remember, your English voice, it is worth hearing. See you in the next one.